In this video we continue up the coast of Australia in my van and do some really cool stuff along the way. We woke up in Tin Can Bay on the east coast of Australia after having driven up the east coast. In Tin Can Bay you can feed dolphins that come into the shore every morning. They live out in the wild, but they still come in every day. The pelicans and the other birds in the area know about this, so they also come in every day to try and snatch the food.
We have been driving for the past 1.5 hours and now we are on our way up to a city called Bundaberg.
We were now continuing our trip up the east coast of Australia in my van. We were driving through the mountains, but we're now taking a break to make some lunch. On the menu we had tortillas with tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce and chicken.
Just had a wrap for lunch.
We were getting tired after lunch, so we laid down in my van to take a nap. We went to the beach to look for turtles, but we didn't find it. Instead we started driving to look for a camping spot.
We just found a spot for the night. That was the biggest problem for the past 25 minutes, but now we have a place. Another great view.
We parked up for the night with a great view, but now I was about to go running. I finished my run, jumped into the water and then came back into the van so we could start making dinner.
We are waiting for the storm to pass.
We were sitting in the back of the van and waiting for the rain to pass. We started driving again, but eventually made it to a city called 1770, which is named after Captain James Cook from Great Britain discovered this place in the year 1770.
The weather is really hot, even though the wind is cooling off. It's still about 30 degrees Celsius.
We were hiking through the woods but ran out of water. Now here is my lifesaver straw that you can buy from my website. It turns dirty water into drinking water. All you have to do is open it up and start drinking. There's a filter system inside of it. We visited the Paper Bark Forest, which is a small forest in the city of 1770.
This is the Paper Bark Forest Boardwalk. And the name comes from the way the trees look.
This was another incredible and untouched place in Australia. This place is a coastal city, and it's strange to believe that it's still so empty, even though Captain James Cook discovered it in the year 1770. Australia only has 25 million people, still today.
The city on that side is called 1770, and this is where Captain James Cook of Great Britain came in with his ship. He sailed from Great Britain all the way to Australia. He did 11 different stops along the east coast of Australia, and 1770 was one of them.
Captain James Cook first sailed around New Zealand, was going up to Tasmania and heading west, but because of the strong winds going up north along the east coast of Australia, him and his crewmen had to go up north in their ship. And that's what took them to the town of 1770. There are so many empty beaches and open spaces in Australia where there are no people. It's amazing and so untouched. It really looked like there had been no people here, or animals or anything. This might have been what this place looked like even thousands or 100,000s of years ago. We came back to make some food in a camping spot. I really loved this kind of life, where we didn't have much stuff with us, just one van with a bed. We could go anywhere. We were making some food on the stove, spaghetti bolognese. and I really enjoyed the company that I had. We were making some food on the stove, and we were about to have some wine also. Here is the vacation deer porter that you can buy from my website.
Nej, man ska inte dricka. Vi måste ha ett vinglas.
I remember this moment like yesterday. There's a famous quote that I like. Live for the moment because everything else is uncertain. The next morning we woke up early and I was feeling really free.
This is what we have left from yesterday. It was a rough evening. Now we just had some breakfast. And she's cleaning the dishes. Great success.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.